Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the easy wins. First, enable low power mode to immediately reduce system activity and background tasks. This buys you hours. Next, lower screen brightness to around 50% or use auto brightness so the display adapts to light. Then, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and turn it off for heavy apps like social media. Once done, you'll notice slower battery drain because fewer apps refresh in the background, and the display consumes less power. You now tackle connectivity and app behavior. Start by turning off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when idle, and switch to airplane mode in low-signal areas to avoid constant radio searching. Then, open Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and set selective apps to while using or never so GPS doesn't burn power. Also, go into each major app and disable background app refresh and non-essential notifications. This reduces CPU wakes and network use, so your phone stays idle for longer, conserving battery life. You finish by optimizing system settings and knowing what to do if things go wrong. Turn on optimized battery charging to reduce battery aging and check battery health for maximum capacity. Make sure iOS and apps are up to date and reboot your phone weekly to clear rogue processes. If battery still drains fast, open Settings, Battery, review battery usage by app, and identify culprits. If needed, reset all settings or uninstall offending apps. This usually stops unexpected drain and restores normal battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.